Okay, good morning. Today we learn about airways. Airways is the most comfortable means of transport, but highly expensive. And this is the fastest means of modern transport. There are different modes are there. One is hot air balloon. Man used to travel. These are applied or used by the adventurous people moving from one place to another. Here one cabin is here, one box. Here the gas cylinder, the flame will go and the air will go up. Because of that, it will keep on moving from one place to another. Here this is another hot air balloon. Here you can see two people are there. Here one open. Inside this hot air will be blown into. Then it will move. Ordinary people cannot travel by hot air balloon. Only adventurous. Then the idea of aeroplane was given by two American brothers called Wilbur and Orville Wright. They invented aeroplane in 1903. The picture you can see this. They were the great men who gave the idea of first aircraft. The first aircraft didn't go very high, but only a few meters from the surface, and distance also not much, a few meters only. Different jumbo jet. It can carry more than 4,000 passengers. Pan American aircraft, Pan America AM. You can see jumbo jet. Another one is glider. It is a kind of aircraft, say, just like having the shape of a kite. According to the balance, this person has to give balance. According to the balancing given by the rider, the glider will move. It is supported only by a dynamic action of air against the surface. According to the movement, he will twist it, this wing and this side. He'll push it down. Accordingly, it will move. This is also an adventurous journey. They just like a hot air balloon and a glider. Ordinary people cannot move. Then the fastest passenger plane in the world, that is Concorde. It can fly faster than sound. Huge. See, British Airways, Concorde flight. It is capacity to carry passengers is 5,000 and more, 500 and more, not 5,000, 500 and more. Huge one. Then helicopters. Helicopters are highly useful at the time of emergency, like a flood or work or earthquake, to provide a medical facility and to provide a food facility or dropping food materials to the victims of this natural calamities. Whenever there is any landslide, the victims are entrapped some other place. Or in order to rescue people from ocean, fishermen, or those who got entrapped on the mountaineers, to save them, helicopters are used. medical team. Then this is the engine side of an aeroplane. This is called a cockpit. Cockpit means the place where pilot is sitting, controlling. This is the inner view. Always two pilots will be there, main pilot and another one is co-pilot. If this person is having any problem or any heart attack, this person will take the charge or any problem. Both know how to fly an aircraft. This is another aircraft. A sound will be. The whole direction will be given from the control room. According to the direction from the control room, the pilot will guide the aircraft. Okay, this much. Now points to remember. In 1903, the Wright brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, invented the first aeroplane. Helicopters are used at the time of natural calamities. Airways are the fastest means of transport. It can reach where other means of transport can't reach. See, on the ship cannot reach on a mountain. A train cannot reach the middle of any ocean or across a river, but helicopter can reach on the top of a mountain or the middle of a sea or ocean. Helicopter can reach. That is why air transport is the best transport for providing help to the people at the time of any calamities. Okay. Thank you. This chapter is lengthy. This is not over. We'll continue.